between other people. So if you're working at the day, you try to work out something between the day. If you don't work, then I start going.
Alright.
Yeah, but we take all ages. Yeah, yeah. Please and thank. Yeah, no, for true.
Community leader.
Yeah, come by. We'll definitely get started. Thank you.
We're gonna have, you know, Mr. Powell there, there. So we're gonna have some free reading class for the grandkids. But we want to start Saturday at 10 o'clock so we can say test people and see them reading level and so. So if you have any grandkids, you can make them come Saturday here. Alright.
Maybe 11.
We want to start it Saturday 10 o'clock.
Oh, so you're telling me to tell other kids?
Yes.
Am I, mind them?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. Any,
Yeah, we can sound out the
and
word.
spread
man.
out the word. Yeah.
But
What time?
We, 10
We want to
a.m.
start 10 o'clock.
When
But
you
we do
gonna
take
start
adults
it?
too.
So what happens is that when we see who me are dealing and the age group, then we decide the scheduling. Because I don't want to mix them.
Yeah, you have to see
Yes,
how
yeah.
quick them is.
Right, who are the age group will actually
I have
show up.
2 grand still, you know, so I don't know which age group you are target.
Oh, what is the age group?
Could I
Oh,
make
you-
the bigger one? Come.
How big is the bigger one?
Shot 9.
Oh yeah, man, that's alright.
That's alright.
Yeah,
the
that's
bigger
fine.
I'm saying.
But
Yeah,
we
man.
do, if you know adults
Or
that
she
need
live
it
with
as
her
well.
mom. Could I make sure the mother say nah?
Yeah,
I
man.
put something that.
So I will take any age to
Yeah,
adult,
adults as
whatever.
well.
I don't.
So
Yeah,
spread
can't
it.
read in no age limit.
Then
Yeah.
Yeah, one set, so you really are target people who kind of want.
Right, we need help. Yeah,
Right,
yeah.
correct.
That's exactly what we are targeting.
targeting, don't?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, we call it here already too.
Yeah.
So starting Saturday we have a free reading class. If you have any kids or anything where you want to send,
Adults too.
yeah, adults, so anybody will want to come.